For those of you who want to see if someone is online on Instagram or not, well, actually, Instagram has a solution for that. You can turn on your activity status. You can actually make it visible to other people so they can know when you're online or not, or the last time you've been active, and you can see their information about that as well. So let's say I open my Instagram and head over to my DMs. And here, anyone whose activity status is visible will show, it says, for example, active now. It means they are online. You can also see the little green circle near their profile. And this one, it has been active 2 hours ago. And for those ones whose activity status is not visible, you won't see anything. Like you will maybe see the last message, or it just says seen or something like that. And here, let's say you want to turn it off. What you do is head over to settings. And since Instagram moves things around so often, I'm just going to search for activity status. Here it says show activity status. And if I tap on that, mine, it's toggled on. So you can just toggle it off. And that way, when I go back to my messages, as you can see, I won't see anyone's time of being active. Now, another way for this is maybe posting a story on Instagram and seeing if that specific person has watched your story or not, has viewed it or not. And that's also another way, which is not quite subtle and I don't really recommend. And finally, I hope who you want to be online is online when you want them to. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos.